This video is a guide to using the first release of Spotlight on SQL Server Enterprise Mobile for iOS. We will cover how Spotlight gets data from your Spotlight on-premise environment to the Spotlight app on your device, how to install the app and user token on your iPad or iPhone, how to install the add-on in your on-premise environment and configure it to publish your status data to complete the process, and finally, how to use Spotlight Express to view your SQL Server environment status when you're not at your desk. Spotlight on SQL Server Enterprise Mobile can be downloaded from the App Store. It is a universal app, which means it can run on the iPod Touch, iPhone, and iPad. In order to see your own data, you have some setup to do, but before you get around to setting up your own account, you're welcome to get to know Spotlight Express by touring the example data. This allows you to experience the full functionality of the app on your iPhone or iPad in an environment typical of everyday use. To access the demo of Spotlight, simply tap the tour example link that appears when the app starts for the first time. Go ahead and download it now. It's free, and we'll wait. Ready to set everything up to view your own data? Here's what you'll need. First thing you need is a working installation of Spotlight on SQL Server Enterprise. If you're not using Spotlight to manage your SQL servers, you can get a trial version at quest.com. The next thing you need is an account at questspotlightexpress.com. Once you have these things, you can download the add-on from questspotlightexpress.com. The add-on is a small piece of software that connects to your Spotlight diagnostic server and publishes status data to questspotlightexpress.com. You will need the user token from your account to secure the transfer between the add-on and Quest's servers in the cloud. The add-on collects data at intervals and sends it to questspotlightexpress.com, where it is stored, ready to be sent to your device on request. Since you've already installed the app on your device, you should be able to view your status data by adding your account details to the app. After hitting the Sign In button, you'll be prompted for your user token. You can get your user token by tapping on the link and signing in to questspotlightexpress.com. Then, it is simply a matter of copying and pasting the token into the app. Once this is done, the app is ready to receive status data from your account. If you have other accounts, these can be accessed easily from going into the settings area via the main menu and adding a new account to the application. Once added, you can move between accounts by going to the same accounts area in settings and selecting the one you wish to view. To go back to the heat map, activate the menu again and choose the heat map. To install the Spotlight add-on to your diagnostic server, go to questspotlightexpress.com in your browser, sign in and download the installer using the link on your account page. Running the installer will bring up a wizard to assist you in installing the add-on. The add-on runs as a service, so we need to tell the installer what account we want to run it under. First, add domain user and password details. Then we need to tell the add-on what Spotlight diagnostic server to connect to. Next, copy and paste in the user token from your account page on the Spotlight Express website. Automatic updating of the add-on defaults to on. You may want to turn this off if your organization doesn't allow automatic updates. Installation should take very little time, and then you're done.